Hey guys, how you doing? Scott Jelinek here. I am going to give you 2 words that are going to completely change your real estate investing career. These are going to be the 2 most important words that anyone is ever going to give you. Are you guys ready for it? It's really simple, and it is do something. Stop talking about it, stop researching it, stop trying to figure out how to do it, how other people are doing it, everything else that's going on, and just do something. Make sure when you wake up in the morning, you are doing something every single day towards your real estate investing business. I cannot stress this enough. I have so many people talk to me and they'll say, oh, it's not working, or I haven't gotten a deal. And as soon as I ask them, well, what are you doing? What are you doing to build your business? What are you doing for marketing? What are you doing? And it always comes back to, they're not doing anything. And so all I say is do something. You don't have to do it perfect. Fail forward, fail often. It doesn't matter. Just do something. Don't worry about everything being right. Don't worry about everything being perfect. Just do something. Do not lay your head down at night on your pillow without knowing that you did something today for your real estate investing business. I hope this gets through to you because it's the little tiny things that you can do that make a huge impact on your business. So before you worry about doing something huge or doing something unbelievable, awesome, life-changing, just make sure that you do something. I hope this video gets through to you, and I hope that it leaves you feeling like, you know what, he's right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do something. It may not turn my whole business on its head in one day, but there's small incremental steps. As long as you're doing something, you're gonna get there. I hope this video helps you guys. Go ahead and click this like button, subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.